Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4
of January 2021. This is your net control station for tonight, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, and my name is Cesar. I'm transmitting at Barangay Mayapa, Calamba City, Province of Laguna, working with JSO 2900 with a power output of 75 watts. Hook up to X520 antenna approximately 40 feet above the ground. My amateur radio station license number is Delta Delta Alpha Tango 20 116-2020, valid until December 2, 2023. Welcome to Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated. Our club name and DX1 PRS, our club call sign, Evening Net. DX1 PRS conducts its net call from Monday to Saturday, starting at 8 p.m. in the evening. The club is registered to Securities and Exchange Commission, licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission, and a proud member of Philippine Amateur Radio Association. All members of the club are duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Anyone with emergency, medical, or priority traffic will immediately pull down. Again, anyone with emergency, medical, or priority traffic will immediately pull down. Any announcement from NTC para District 1 Manager? Any amateur radio club, DX1 PRS officers or members, you may call now. Net control station will stand by. Any announcement from NTC para District 1 Manager? Any amateur radio club, DX1 PRS officers or members, you may call now. Net control station will stand by. Okay, hearing none, let me remind all stations that this is a supervised net. All traffic must pass to the net control station, but emergency traffic, portable and mobile stations will be prioritized. Kindly relay stations I cannot hear when requested. Before we proceed to general net call proper, let me first acknowledge the station of Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu. Your station is now properly logged. Okay, let us now begin by calling any portable, mobile or fixed stations who may join the DX1 PRS net call. You may call now, net control station listening.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
For I1, Mike Victor India.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Okay, boy, Robert, kindly hold on. Unahin muna natin si Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, one of the net control station ng DX1 PRS. Nelson, go ahead. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Tito Cesar. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Magandang gabi rin kay Vince at nakanonood ng live, pati si Boss Johnny at si Tito Panto, si Kuya Panto. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot for the DX1 PRS, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, supporting RBNet and advice po, naka-live po ulit tayo sa FB. At pwede po mag-check-in doon yung di po makakontak sa control. Marami pong salamat. 73.
Okay, maraming salamat Nelson at maraming salamat sa advice at sa mga hindi po makaabot ang radyo sa Calamba City, pwede pong mag-check-in sa live. Nelson Paralehas sa FB. I-relay na lang po sa akin ni Port Hotel 15 Charlie Uniform. Okay Nelson, maraming salamat at sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating netcall activity. Your station, Port Hotel 15 Charlie Uniform is now clear. Next station, 4 India 1 Mike Victor India, together with Juliana and from the group. Go ahead, Robert, magandang gabi.
Hi, Tito June.
Ayun, good evening, Tito June. Good evening to all stations. D1 PRF for DX1 PRS Net 4I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group's net.
no further traffic, 73.
Okay, maraming salamat Robert at maraming salamat Juliana sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening night ng DX1 Perez. At 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India and Juliana is now clear. Good evening, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Boy, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalala ang buwabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. Mga datratik karel. Salamat po.
Copy, likewise, boy. At walang sawa ding tiklis-tiklis na pasasalamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra is now clear. Okay, the station of 4 India 1 Tango Lima Oscar, net control station supervisor ng DX1 Perez. Your station is now properly logged. Okay, any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. Okay, Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu, one of the net control station on DX1 EBM. Pangalos B, magandang gabi po. Copy, likewise, Pangalos B at maraming salamat. At maraming salamat din sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu is now clear. Okay, 4 Hotel 1, Lima Echo Sierra from Mangono Rizal. Chris, magandang gabi. Copy, likewise, Chris, at maraming salamat din sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1, Lima Echo Sierra is now clear. QRZ, DX1 Perez net call.
For Golf 1, November Tango for the net.
Okay, Paul Golf 1, November Tango, one of the net control station on DX1 ART and a board member. Go ahead, Nick, magandang gabi.
Likewise, magandang gabi, Tito June. Please log my station for Golf 1, November Tango, Nick po ng Taytay Rizal at sa grupo po ng DX1 ART. Just joining and supporting the DX1 PRS net call. 73 and mabuhay po. Ingat-ingat.
Copy, likewise, Nick, at maraming salamat sa paalala at maraming salamat din sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, November Tango is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. QRZ, DX1 Perez, net call.
4G. Laho, 4G1, Lima Delta Kilo.
Okay, Auditor Danny, go ahead. Alam ko nang ikaw. At medyo nagpuputol eh. Booming audio. Go ahead, magandang gabi.
Yeah, good evening, Kuya Jun. Good evening, fellow arms, supporting our evening netcon. No traffic beside 73 and fine evening. Keep safe. Mabuhay.
Copy likewise, Dan, at maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating netcall activity. 73, God bless at mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1, Lima Delta Kilo is now clear. Okay, 4 Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf from Comembo, Makati. Dindo, magandang gabi. Copy likewise, Dindo, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa Bingnet ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. QRZ, DX1 Perez net call. Okay, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango, Yankee Arnel from Los Baños, magandang gabi. Okay, Arnel, at maraming salamat din sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango, Yankee is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. Okay, Delta Victor 3, Romeo Whiskey, Roland, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Perez net call. Copy, Roland, si Cesar to, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Calamba City. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa inyong net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 3, Romeo Whiskey is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
Delta Whiskey 1, Victor S.A. Romeo for the net.
Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo Ray, magandang gabi, Cavite. Go ahead.
Likewise, magandang gabi dyan. At magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga nakamonitor. This is DW1 Victor S.A. Romeo joining the net for DX1 PRS. 73 and God bless. Salamat. Good evening.
Copy, likewise Ray, at maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex 1 Perez, standing by. DX1 Perez net call. Any more station would like to check in? This is your net control station for tonight, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, and my name is Cesar. Transmitting Calamba City, standing by.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Okay, Romeo Oscar Mike. Romano, good. Magandang gabi.
Kaya magandang gabi rin, Control. Magandang gabi sa lahat na antabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
Copy, likewise. Romano, nasa, nasa group chat na ng, FB account ng Dex1 Perez Friends and Members yung full name mo, good?
Wala pa po. Hindi po ako nakapagpaano doon.
Okay, Sela. Sige, paki-post na lang yung full name mo at para doon sa certificate na ibibigay ng grupo. Go ahead.
Sige po. Salamat po.
Okay, at maraming salamat, Romano, sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Romeo Oscar Mike is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. Si Montano po ba ito? Go ahead, Antipolo. Magandang gabi, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Golf X-Ray. Copy, likewise, Montano, at 1 by 1 lang yung dating mo dito sa Calamba City. Pero kakaklaro naman yung audio. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. Si Cesar to ng Calamba City, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Golf X-Ray is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex 1 Perez, standing by.
1 Mike Alfa Romeo.
Okay, Mike Alfa Romeo, good. Magandang gabi, Ma.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. 1 Mike Alfa Romeo, supporting the net of DX1 PRS. Transmitting from Binyan, Laguna. No further traffic. 73 mabuhay. God bless.
Okay, likewise, Mar. At maraming salamat sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Mike Alpha Romeo from Binyan, Laguna is now clear. Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tokayon John, magandang gabi, Los Baños. Magandang gabi, Tokayo. Ticket control at lahat po ng mga nakasabay ng stasyon. Bumabati na po ng 73. Magandang gabi, no further traffic, just joining the evening net. Copy, likewise, Tokayon John, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is now clear. Yung pong isang station, pakibalik po ng call sign.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta, for the net.
Okay, Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta. Jason, magandang gabi.
Dito, magandang gabi po. Mabuhay po ang DX1 PRS Net. For Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta, joining the evening net call. 73, salamat po, mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, Jason, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Hotel 1, Yankee, Queen, Delta is now clear.
For India 1, Bravo November Charlie.
For Hotel 1, Delta, Papa, Quebec.
Okay, Delta for India 1, Bravo, November, Charlie. Bong, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi kay June and sa lahat ng station and Happy New Year. Just joining and supporting the net. Mabuhay, 73.
Copy, likewise, Bong, at ngayon nga lang tayo nagkaasap at Happy New Year din. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1, Yankee, Queen, your Hotel 1. Your station for India 1, Bravo, November, Charlie is now clear. Yung pong isang station may Quebec, ito pakibalik na call sign.
Hotel 1, Delta, Papa, Quebec.
Okay, for Hotel 1, Delta, Papa Queen, Pepito, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Perez Net Call.
Magandang gabi dito. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakatabay sa inyong ipilan. For H1 Delta Papa Quebec, sa nagpapatala lamang at bumabati ng 73. And keep safe everyone. Happy New Year and belated.
Copy, likewise, Pepito, at Happy New Year din. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta, Papa Queen is now clear. Paki-ulit po ng call sign at medyo mahina lang po yung dating dito sa Calamba City. Okay. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Bravo, Mike Minando, magandang gabi. From Lemery, Batangas, go ahead. Copy, likewise, Minando. Menard, tanong ko lang, yung call sign mo, Delta Yankee, naka-registered, go ahead. Nandro, go ahead. Registered ba yung Delta Yankee call sign? Okay, negative copy. Your station, Mike Bravo Mike from Lemery, Batangas is now loud and clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
Pa-relate.
Go ahead, Nelson.
Ako na lang magano Tito listam na lang. Acknowledge the station of si June Eronimo Marasigan ng Muntinlupa from the group DX1 Wapi. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Nature Station for Golf 1 Alpha Victor India is properly logged and clear at si Delta Victory 2 Bravo Whiskey Bravo si Tito Michael Banawan ng Baguio City from the group DX1D. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Network Station. Delta Victory 2 Bravo Whiskey Bravo is properly logged and clear. Also acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Oscar Sulu si Tito Jesse Tolentino ng Calaca, Batangas from the group DX1 EBM. Maraming salamat sa sali sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS, ka Jesse. Ang inyo po istasyon, Delta Whiskey 1, Victory Oscar Sulu is properly logged and clear. 73. Acknowledge ko na lang din tong isa si Kim Arnold Diagas ng Cabuyao, Laguna. Magandang gabi dyan sa Cabuyao, Laguna. Acknowledge your station. Ilang Tito?
Captain Nelson, sino yung ano ni Kim? Call sign?
Wala, Kim lang binigay niya na lang rito sa sa live siya doon. Yun lang binigay niya niya. Ang pangalan niya ay Kim Arnold Diagas ng Cabuyao, Laguna. At saka ito, umabol pa si Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie, si Tito Juni ng nga ba lugar si Tito Juni ng Davao del Norte. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Juni sa Davao del Norte. Ayun, Tito.
Okay, maraming salamat Nelson for H1 Lima Charlie Uniform sa relay at their stations are now properly logged and clear.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra.
For Golf 1 Alpha November India.
Okay, Gani, kayo dyan, kindly hold on. Unahin muna natin ang net control station ng digital 515 ban ng GroupsNet. Don, magandang gabi. Nautal ako.
Magandang gabi, Manong Cesar. Ang gabi sa kay June. Magandang gabi din. Checking in, 73. Salamat.
Okay, Don. At maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Eveningnet ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Zulu 1 Delta is now clear. Next station from the group and head ng technical supervisor. Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra. Ito kayo dyan, magandang gabi.
Ayan ka na naman, nabulol ka na naman pag ako kausap mo. Sige, gandang gabi D1 Pierret, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the Net Power Group, DX1 Paris 73, no more traffic, and good evening to all station.
Yes, ito kayo. Oo nga, head na, supervisor pa. At maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra is now clear. Next station, from GMA Cavite for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Gani, magandang gabi.
Guys, magandang gabi. For Golf 1 Alpha November India. Supporting the evening net to other traffic 73, mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, Gani, at maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha November India is now clear.
Mike Victor Lima, Tito.
Okay, Edmond, kindly hold on lang at medyo mahina lang yung taga Lucena City. Okay, go ahead. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, Adrian, magandang gabi. Welcome to our GroupsNet.
Go ahead na, Adrian.
kung dinig mo ko, maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima is now clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo from Marikina. Edmond, magandang gabi. Copy, likewise, Edmond, at Happy New Year din. At ngayon lang tayo nagkausap pagkatapos ng mga bagong taon. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ibang net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo is now clear. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Okay, for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo and one of the net control station ng grupo Root Boy, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Tito Jun. Good evening din kay Tito Nelson. At sa lahat, for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, Santa Rosa, Laguna, checking in and supporting our group net. No traffic, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, Root Boy, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo is now clear.
DO1 Charlie, November Delta.
Okay, Chito, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Perez Net Call.
Magandang gabi po dito. Bumabati lang po at nag-participate sa evening net call. No other traffic, 73.
Copy, likewise, Chito, at maraming salamat sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Charlie, November Delta is now clear.
For I1 MWS.
For India 1, Mike Whiskey Sierra, one of the net control station ng DX1 Perez, isa sa magandang lalaki ng DX1 Papa. Dan, magandang gabi.
Likewise, magandang gabi sa'yo, Tito Jun ha. Tito Rootboy, magandang gabi rin kay Tito Rootboy, saka syempre kay Tito Nelson. Para pakinig ko kanina yung one of the net controller of DX1 Perez. Parang,
Dinig ko rin.
ano mo ko Sige, Tito Jun ha, magandang gabi sa'yo. Magandang gabi sa DX1 Perez. 73 at mabuhay. At ingat po tayo, Dan. Salamat, Tito Jun. Back to you.
Copy, likewise, Dan, at maraming salamat sa paalala. At wala namang problema kung magiging one of the net control station ka ng DX1 Perez, Oscar Kilo. Very much welcome. Okay, maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa aming net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for India 1, Mike Whiskey Sierra is now clear.
Pasapay, Tito Dan, for H1 LCU.
Nelson, guys, ano yung traffic?
Ay, sabi ko lang, pasabay kay Tito Dan. Eh, sige, sabay ko na ito si Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo, si Tito Michael ng Baguio City. Palista na lang dyan, Tito. At acknowledge station si Tito Mike ng Baguio City. Your station, Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo is properly logged and clear. 73. Salamat, Tito.
Okay. At maraming salamat sa relay at ang station ni Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo is na properly logged and clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, stand by.
For Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot.
For Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot, Reggie from Las Piñas City. Magandang gabi. Welcome to DX1 Perez Net Call.
Likewise, good evening po, Tito Dan. Good evening, all station. For Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot, Ka-Reggie ng Las Piñas. Joining and supporting 73. Ingat-ingat po.
Victor, ano po yung isa? Victor Whiskey.
Standby lang, Tito Johnny.
Ay, pakiulit po ulit ng call sign at medyo nagkaroon lang po ng problema dito sa login, sa papel guide po. Okay, Delta Victor 1, 4 Hotel. Okay, MJ, go ahead. At medyo nagano lang dito sa sa data. Go ahead, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Terrace Net Call. Copy likewise, MJ. At pasensya na. Medyo nagkaano lang dito sa data. At maraming salamat, MJ, sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Terrace. 73, God bless. Hamabuhay. Your station from Lucena City. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Whiskey Lima is now clear.
4 Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform.
Okay, for Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform, Tukayon Jun ng Cainta Rizal. Go ahead, magandang gabi.
Yes, good evening to kayo and good evening to all station for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform. Just joining and supporting the X1 PRS Net 73 and keep safe always. Thank you.
Okay, at maraming salamat to kayo dyan sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Paul Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform is now clear.
DC1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Okay, Delta Victor 1 Oscar Mike Victor Rolly, magandang gabi.
Yeah, good evening, Oldman Dan. Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Just joining the net, no traffic. Stay safe and healthy. 73.
Okay, Rolly, maraming salamat sa paalala at si Cesar to, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot ng Calamba City. At maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net call ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1 Oscar Mike Victor is now clear.
4 Hotel 1, Bravo Solo Echo. 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
PW3 Whiskey Echo Delta.
Okay, Edgar, kindly hold on, Mela. Yung pong isang may Bravo, pakiulit po ng call sign. Yung po isang station na sumunod kay Bravo Zulu Echo, guide po, magandang gabi, pakiulit po ng call sign.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Okay, kindly hold on, ha. Unahin mo natin si Paul Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Meloy, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Hotel 1, Bravo Solo Echo. Salamat,
Copy likewise, Meloy, at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo is now clear. Next station, Paul Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. Nato, magandang gabi.
Yes, good evening, Net Control. Good evening, fellow hams. 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima, with the handle of NATO, transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the evening net. 73.
Okay, Jam, kindly hold on lang, ha. At okay na to, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Power Golf 1, Bravo Lima, Lima is now clear. Next station from Giginto, Bulacan, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo, Delta. Edgar, magandang gabi.
Likewise, magandang gabi DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta, joining the net for Power God bless.
Copy, likewise, Edgar, at maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta is now clear. Next station from Montalban, Rizal, 4 India 1, Alpha Golf Foxtrot. Jam, magandang gabi. Okay, Jam, at one of the board member ng Dex1 ART. At maraming salamat din, Jam, sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Net ng Dex1 PRS. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 India 1, Alpha Golf Foxtrot is now clear. Jam, si Cesar to, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot ng Calamba City.
Permission.
Yes, walang problema naman yung Jam at Oscar Kill lang. At halos pare-pareho nga yung mga audio nang nanditong NCS ng X1 Perez. Okay, Jam, maraming salamat. Okay, Nelson, good.
Ayun, Tito, isa lang si Tito Juni nag-aantay. Acknowledge station si Tito Juni, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, si Tito Juni ng Zamboanga City. Maraming salamat sa iyo diyan, Tito Juni, sa support sa gabi ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS. Your station, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi dyan sa Zamboanga City. 73.
Okay, maraming salamat, Nelson, at ang station ni Juni ay properly logged and clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex1 Perez, stand by. QRZ, Dex1 Perez net call. Any more station would like to check in? Dex1 Perez, stand by.
1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico.
Okay, Delta Victor 1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico, Vice President ng Dex1 Perez. Larik, magandang gabi. Welcome to our GroupsNet.
Yeah, good evening, John. Good evening, all. Yeah, just supporting our net call, no traffic. 73, and happy trekking. Sama ba? Kayo.
Yes, o nga pala, happy 3 kicks na nga pala. 73, God bless, mabuhay. At maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, your station, Delta Victor 1, Kilo Whiskey Mike is now clear.
Mukhang wala. Permission to relay uli.
Go ahead, Nelson.
Ayun, acknowledge ko lang station ni Tito Mike. Si Mike Reds ng Trento, Agusan del Sur. From the group, the X1 EBM, thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta, Uniform 9, Mike, Echo Romeo is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi dyan sa Agusan del Sur, Tito Mike, at 73.
Okay, maraming salamat Nelson at ang station ni po DU9 Mike Echo Romeo is now properly logged and clear. Okay, for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango. Rick, magandang gabi. Okay, Rick, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Hotel 1 Echo India Tango is now clear. Any more station would like to take in? Dex 1 Perez, standing by.
Permission uli, Tito.
Agad Nelson, yung isang kopya mo ba yung Foxtrot Romeo yata?
Wala akong nadinig kopya, wala akong nakopya, Tito. Baka si Tito Rotboy, tanong mo muna.
Rotboy, nakamonitor ka pa?
Negative ba Tito John dito?
Baka ano lang dito, tawag dito, splatter. Okay, Nelson, good.
Ayun, acknowledge na lang kay Tito Mark ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, properly logged and clear at nasa work daw siya. 73.
Okay, maraming salamat ulit Nelson at ang station ni Mike Victor Charlie is now logged and clear.
84H1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net.
Okay, from the group for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, Fred, magandang gabi. Welcome to our group's net.
Thank you, Control. This is 4H1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net and supporting PRS and joining the big net. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic 73F, Mabuhay and
Okay, Fred, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra is now clear. Okay, for Golf 1 Kilo India X-Ray, one of the net control station and Dex 1 Charlie India Kicks, magandang gabi. Copy, likewise, Kicks 59 ka rin dito at Booming Audio, Calamba City. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa net call activity ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Kilo India X-Ray is now clear.
For Golf 1 Fox Bravo Lima.
Charlie.
Okay, Elmore, kindly hold on. Yung pong isang may Charlie, pakiulit po ng call sign.
Delta Uniform 1 Zulu Charlie. DU1 Zulu Charlie.
QS Elmore, kindly hold on ha. Tunahin lang si Elmore. For Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Good, magandang gabi. Elmore.
Likewise, Tito Cesar, magandang gabi. DU1 PRF for the X1 PRS. You're coming in 5 by 9 po dito sa Muntinlupa. Please log my station for Golf 1 Fox Bravo Lima with the handle of Elmore from Muntinlupa City. No further traffic, 73.
4 Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango.
Okay, Roweno, kindly hold on lang ha. At Elmore, maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima is now clear. Next station, Delta Uniform 1 Zulu Charlie. Mon, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Control. This is Delta United 1 Zulu Charlie. Nomar ng Pasig City. May balak mag-member sa club nyo, ni-refer ko kay Tito Ed. So, D1 Zulu Charlie, Nomar ng Pasig City. From the group DX1 Lima. Salamat, ingat, stay safe.
Okay, Mon, kanino mo nirelay yung station?
May gusto mag-amateur member na YL kay DU1 Whiskey India Echo, kay Ed, over.
QSL, si Tito Ed sa sa DX1 SPC San Pablo. Good. Dito kami sa DX1 Perez sa Santa Rosa. Good.
Nga pala. Sorry. Taga San Pablo yung YL. Yun lang. Salamat. 73.
Copy likewise, Mon. At si Cesar to ng Calamba City, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Okay, Mon, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Tito Mon, at ngayon lang tayo nagkarinigan dito your station, Delta Uniform 1 Zulu Charlie is now clear. Next station for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango Roweno. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Tito Cesar, at magandang gabi sa lahat na station na nakamonitor for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Papatala at maraming salamat.
Copy likewise, Roweno, at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa Imlinet ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango is now clear.
For G1 Bravo Sierra Yankee for the net.
For Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie.
Okay, Raymond, kindly hold on at tunahin mo natin si Paul Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee. Ariel, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Tito Cesar. Good evening to our station. Just checking in. No other traffic. 73, mabuhay.
Okay, Ariel, at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee is now clear. Next station from Dasma, Cavite, for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie. Raymond, magandang gabi. Go ahead, Paul Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie. Raymond.
Likewise, good evening, Tito June. Good evening, all station on monitor. For Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, checking into the net with no traffic, my 73. Atensya na po, malakas ang splatter.
Okay, Toscar Kilo lang, Raymond, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie is now clear. Okay, for Hotel 1 Echo, for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Hermie, magandang gabi from Marikina. Hermie, go ahead for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Copy likewise, Hermie, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is now clear.
nakalag si Tita Ibon, Delta India November.
Okay. Yung pong isang station na napasabay, pakiulit po ng call sign. Yung pong isang station na napasabay, magandang gabi po, pakiulit po ng call sign at napasabay lang sa isang station. Okay, Francis, kindly hold on lang. Okay, Nelson, at the station of Delta India November is now loud and clear. Maraming salamat sa relay. Okay, Francis, Foxtrot Romeo, Romeo, good, magandang gabi. Okay, Francis, at maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 733, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1, Foxtrot Romeo, Romeo is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex1 Perez, standing by.
For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet.
Okay, is for Golf 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. HL, magandang gabi. Welcome to our group's net.
Good evening, Tito June, and good evening din dyan kay Nelson na nasa FB Live. Just checking in and supporting the net at 73 at ingat dyan, Tito June.
Okay, HL, at maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex1 Perez, standing by.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Good, magandang gabi.
Likewise, good evening po. Good evening po sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Just supporting your evening. 73. And, belated Happy New Year.
Okay, Errol, at maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta ng Saving Net ng Dex1 Perez. At Happy New Year din. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray Papa is now clear. Okay, for the Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee from San Pablo City. Ed, magandang gabi. Okay, Ed, at maraming salamat din sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee is now clear.
For Golf 1, Echo November Delta.
Okay, for Golf 1 Echo November Delta. Del, magandang gabi.
Old Man Cesar, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi dyan sa side mo. And magandang gabi, Dex1 Perez. I'm supporting the evening net with no further traffic. D1 Perez for Dex1 Perez for G1END. 73.
Okay, Del, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? The X1 PRS, stand by. Any more station would like to check in? The X1 PRS, stand by.
Shout out kay Miko Kaguyat. Pakibigay na lang yung call sign mo buo para ma-register ko. Salamat.
Okay, hearing none. Root boy, nakamonitor ka?
Go ahead, Tito Jun.
Okay, acknowledge ko yung mga station. Medyo may nagkaroon ng error dito sa file ko. 12 yung nakalagay na station pero 12 yung 11 yung station pero 10 lang yata yung nakalista. Pagka na-acknowledge ko kung sino kulang. Okay, acknowledge po muna natin ang 62 stations na lumahok sa evening net ng DX1 PRS. From the group, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform Nelson, 4 India 1 Mike Victor India si Robert, 4 India 1 Tango Lima Oscar Vincent, 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo Dan, at 4 India 1 4 Golf 1 Alpha Mike Victor Lima si Edian Oscar Kilo na 4 Delta Victor 1 Kilo Whiskey Mike si Bay Salaric 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo Root Boy Delta 4 Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra Spread 4 Golf 1 Alpha Golf Juliet Edsel. Acknowledge din na mga friends ng DX1 PRS na nag-participate sa evening net. Delta Uniform 1 November Tango Zulu, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Delta Uniform 1 Victor Lima Zulu, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra, 4 Golf 1 November Tango Tango, 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf, Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee, Delta Victor 3 Romeo Whiskey, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, Romeo Oscar Mike, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Golf X-Ray. Mike Alpha Romeo, Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Whiskey, 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Queen Delta, 4 India 1 Bravo November Charlie, 4 Hotel 1 Delta Papa Queen, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Mike, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Victor India, Delta Victor 2 Bravo Whiskey Bravo, Delta Whiskey 1 Oscar, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Oscar Zulu, Delta Yankee 9 Juliet Delta Charlie. Kilo India Mike Delta Zulu 1 Delta Victor Whiskey Lima, 4 Golf 1 Alpha November India, 4 Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo Charlie November Delta. 4 India 1 Mike Whiskey Sierra. Delta Whiskey 2 Mike Bravo. 4 Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Whiskey Lima. 4 Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform. Delta Victor 1 Oscar Mike Victor. 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. 4 Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. Delta Whiskey 3 Whiskey Echo Delta. 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot. Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot. Delta Uniform 9 Mike Echo Romeo. 4 Hotel 1 Echo India Tango. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie. 4 Golf 1 Kilo India X-Ray. 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Delta Zulu 1 Charlie. 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. 4 Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee. 4 Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie. 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Delta India November. 4 Hotel 1 Foxtrot Romeo Romeo. 4 Golf 1 Echo November Delta. 4 Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa. Last but not the least, Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee. Okay, thank you, Lord, for the assistance and support you have given us, and for making this net call successful. Members and friends who participated to just concluded net call, may we have safe evening ahead. In the name of our Lord. Amen. This is your net control station, formally closing the net, and the frequency 145.340 is back to its normal use. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. 73, mabuhay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all. 73.